Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. You are now tuned into Life with Jessie Rae and I am Jessie Rae.
I'm all in, no quitting, I'm all in, steady flipping, I'm all in, we gon' get it, I'm all in, to the ceiling, I'm all in, no quitting, I'm all in, steady flipping, I'm all in, we gon' get it, I'm all in, to the ceiling.
I do videos related to makeup, beauty, lifestyle, vlogs, and more. So if you're interested in any of that type of content there, definitely click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when I post my next video. So in today's video, y'all, I'm really just here to bring y'all awareness about the asbestos that was found in one of the Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palettes. It was found in the Gorgeous Me palette, to be exact, and it was about 20%, I want to say, found in that eyeshadow palette, which translates to about 5 to 10 different eyeshadows in there. And if you don't know what asbestos is, it is a mineral that grows near talc, and talc is what is found in a lot of makeup. So this could have happened to any makeup company out there. Unfortunately, it did happen to the Beauty Glazed company. And with that being said, you guys, if you don't know what asbestos is, definitely educate yourself on the subject. It is a mineral, like I said, that grows near talc, and you know, over long exposure can cause cancer, from what I've read up on. So like I said, definitely research about it if you want to know more about it. If you have any Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palettes, I would definitely suggest discontinuing them until further notice. Guys, I do not have the Gorgeous Me palette that the asbestos was found in. However, I do have the Color Fusion Over the Rainbow palette by Beauty Glazed, and because it was made in the same factory, I am going to discontinue use of this palette. Now, I would suggest you all do the same, because you know, these are, like I said, these are made in the same factory, and you know, it's better to be safe than sorry and not, you know, risk exposing yourself to what may cause cancer in your body. So definitely, you know, if you decide to continue to use the Beauty Glazed palettes, do so at your own discretion. But here from Life with Jessie Rae, I'm highly suggesting that you all discontinue use of the Beauty Glazed palettes until further notice, or you know, maybe just discontinue them altogether. That is something that, you know, you have to decide for yourself. But like I said, you guys, I really just wanted to come on here and bring awareness to you guys about what was found. Shout out to Tammy Clark and whoever her subscriber was that emailed her about the asbestos found in the Gorgeous Me palette. Like I said, shout out to Tammy Clark. She's always keeping your girl up and good on the makeup tips, what to use and what's, you know, what's good to use. So shout out to her one more time for bringing awareness to me so that I can bring awareness to you all. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you guys see more videos related to beauty, lifestyle, vlogs, and more. Definitely do your research on the asbestos found in the Gorgeous Me palette made by Beauty Glazed. Decide at your own discretion what you want to do, whether you discontinue the use of the palettes or not. Coming from me, I am just going to discontinue the use of that palette. It is one of my favorite, well, it has been one of my favorite palettes, and I'm sad to see it go, but my health is more important, so definitely discontinuing it. Yeah. Okay, now that's all I have for this video, y'all. So if you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you see more videos from your girl, Jessie Rae. And I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye, guys.